Hi, this is Siva. Today Docker tutorial is about Docker images. Docker images command is used to show the list of Docker images. They are the list of Docker images I have pulled from Docker Hub, and we can use Docker image ls command also. It gave also same output list of Docker images. To pull a image from the Docker Hub, Docker pull and image name. I am pulling the Nginx image. It's automatically pull the latest Nginx image from the Docker Hub. To check the Nginx image, Docker images. See, Nginx image, we have pulled the Nginx image. Okay, Docker RMI image name. What is RMI? RMI is remove image. We have, if you want to remove any of these images, you don't want certain images, you don't have any use of certain images, so you have to remove from your PC. Remove RMI is remove image. It will remove the images from the Docker. So here, see, I don't want my Ubuntu image, so I want to remove my Ubuntu image. So Docker RMI my Ubuntu, my Ubuntu, giving the name of the image. So untagged, delete it. It removes the my Ubuntu image. See, Docker images. See, my Ubuntu image is not there. It will delete it. Clear. And then clear the screen. Docker container ls is used to show the running containers. Suppose I have to run the Nginx image. Docker run hyphen name. We have to give the name of a container. We have to give name to a container. My Nginx. I'm giving the my Nginx name to a container. My Nginx has a name of and has a name to a container, and in detached mode and in port mapping, and it is host port and 80 is the container port. And now I'm giving the image name Nginx. We have downloaded recently from the Docker Hub using Docker pull image, Docker pull command. See, now you can see the running containers. Docker container ls. Docker container ls shows the running containers. To access this container, the Nginx to access this my Nginx is a web server. So go to Chrome, localhost. It works. See, it gives the command, it works. So Nginx is working. To remove say, Docker images images. Now I want to remove the image Nginx. docker docker rmi nginx. See, it gives the error response because the running container, the image is connected to a container, right? We are running the Nginx container. Na? Container name is my Nginx. So the image, the image is linked to a container, so we can't delete it. To delete it, docker rmi hyphen f force nginx. By using the force, we can delete the Nginx and tag docker images images. See, there is no Nginx, but it will not delete the Nginx image. It will remove, untag the image and give the name as none because the container is running none. Without the image, the container is cannot run. But you are giving that docker rmi-f nginx. By using the force, by using -f, it is force. We are forcefully removing the nginx image. But docker doesn't remove the nginx image. It will rename it as none. So there is no nginx image according to our command. But to run by docker container ls. The container is running because of the image only. Without image, we cannot run container. So because of that, it will not delete the image. It will rename as none. So there is no nginx image. Docker system, Docker system prun hyphen f af. Docker system prune-af is a command used to delete all the Docker images. But I don't have to give. This is the right command. But if I give, it will delete all the images. But one thing I have to download. That's why I didn't give this command. That's it for today. Please, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.